County.
85.
Go ahead.
Do you have a plate?
Negative.
Copy.
Are you good there, or do you need another? We're fine. C18.
Copy.
Angel 112, go ahead. Our cat's not updating, we're responding. We also have one officer en route as well.
I copy.
Call taker reported a patient having pain in the stomach and side. Sounds like some flu-like symptoms, throwing up. Wake and breathing due to being in a motel, sending the officers back up, just in case. Total 27, that's 23. 10 4.
Mid 182, you're responding to 5300 South Howell Avenue, ticketing for a 35-year-old female that fell with a possible broken leg. She's at the north end of ticketing, 5300 South Howell Avenue.
Oh, 570 dispatch.
7?
Just saw a crash, 43 northbound at Oklahoma.
What was that cross street again? 43 northbound?
43 northbound at Oklahoma.
I copy.
35 dispatch.
35.
You can cancel my tow if they were able to get it out. A5 dispatch, copy, play for the tow.
Go on.
Floyd Charles Sam 1208, black sedan. Oh, no, that's not. Dispatcher 3453 is pending. Free dispatch 40 through the main 742. West Wisconsin Avenue, room 1935, profile 1, target 14. Go ahead. You guys can cancel. I just want 11 copies. Seven, taser 26, good morning. 10-4, good morning. Good.
Nobody's going to need a tow, correct?
Not as of right now.
Copy.
Best received, Pierce Command, MPD for forced entry. 35 to touch.
35?
You can clear me, David 7.
Hi, copy.
35 to touch. Can you switch me over to squad 5-8?
Switch you over to squad 5-8.
This is Pearson Command. You can cancel PD. Resident is now on scene.
Actually, Pierce Command, MPD, need resident on scene. To dispatch, what's my call number? 5359.
Can
You let Oak Creek know that there's going to be a disabled to traffic at Drexel and I-94.
Copy.
That's Stevens 36 balancing.
February 2. I advise that there was a disabled in traffic on Drexel before 94.
Are they out of the vehicle? Boy John, Boy Edward John. Good morning.
Good morning.
Been cleared by Met 113. We're adjourning the course.
To receive Med 113, did you still require an officer?
58 dispatch.
5-8.
You can advise Oak Creek that they're David 7 now.
I copy.
Copy 10-8. Go ahead.
That vehicle removed itself.
Misty, thank you. I want to start 742. Denver. Mitchell Airport dispatch from Oak Creek, Med 183.
Four 788.
Dispatch from Med 183.
Go ahead.
We're having a hard time getting in contact with airport dispatch. Can you see if you can get a better location for us? Med 183 from dispatch. The call shows on the north end near the exit car rental, exit number 4, so you might have to go around the corner to find them. Master C, thank you. Go ahead.
I have a PDO 45 southbound at Good Hope, a white Nissan Altima hit the wall.
I copy.
108th Street.
Five 5065.
Dispatch.
57.
The crash at Oklahoma removed itself.
I copy.
The house is ventilated, turned over to residents, or returned it.
Master Chief Pearson Command, house ventilated, scene turned over to the homeowner, returning.
Dispatch from Med 113.
Med 113, go ahead.
Transporting to Ascension Franklin.
Message received.
108. It's going to be for a 45-year-old male with neck and knee pain requesting transport.
Copy additional, thank you.
D21, go ahead.
21, we run, responding to PFR 1018 East Knapp Street, Unit 210. We have profile 1, target 13, 1 and 13.
Row and the CRVs looks to me to come in front of our truck.
Correct. They now stated they're going to be on baggage. Master Chief. BLS transfer. Airport Dispatch, Oak Creek, Med 183 is on scene.
Answer C183.
You can put me around to the Golden Key. 10-4. Dispatch. Good.
I ran the Janice to the call. I'm 1012 with her en route to a resident.
10-4. 87-1.
Dispatch Med 113.
Med 113, go ahead.
We arrived attention.
Message received. Dispatch.
85.
Personal tow is closer. Go ahead and cancel our tow.
Copy.
Dispatch.
Go ahead.
Take a second car.
10476.
10-4.
And 38, if you could put me on that one right away, please.
Okay, copy.
Our dispatch.
29er.
We have video of this crash.
TMC.
Dispatch Rescue 716. It's route to Oak Creek Med 183. They're going to be transporting to St. Luke's, Maine. You can show 716, 702 clear the scene, returning. Okay.
Dispatch M172.
Good.
72 is transporting to Ascension Greenfield.
Sweet. Five seven.
On 94. Wisconsin plate, M. Young, Edward, 2885.
What kind of vehicle?
Ford Black.
Copy. $29er.
Let's receive Med 183, transporting to St. Luke's, Maine.
There's going to be a hit and run.
Copy.
27 dispatch, put us on scene.
Copy. Dispatcher 354.
Over to South 4.
Can you or your partner call dispatch 5065, please?
Milwaukee Fire, North Shore Fire, looking for your engine 83.
Engine 83 is available. Where do you need them?
You can respond alone for wires down, 3449 North Kramer, 3449 North Kramer, profile 1, talk group 2.
Message received.
Press 322, 3776 North 76th Street, Unit 5, profile 1, talk group 15.
10-4. Five 7.
Go ahead.
Is that on the left or right?
That's towards my right.
Copy.
Dispatch. Go ahead. Our driver's in custody for bail jumping. We'll take one for my announcement. 10-4. Engine 83 en route. That's Engine 83 en route. Press 183, 3449 North Kramer Street, Kramer Command, profile 1, talk group 2. Press 131, East Lincoln Avenue, South 3rd Street, Lincoln Command, profile 2, talk group 2. Dispatch to 2 fellow, please.
Dispatch, engine 21, requesting a med unit for hypertension.
Press Stevens 2, balancing. Press Stevens 21, med unit for hypertension.
Denver.
I just 21, you're gonna get med 6 from quarters on profile 1, talk group 13, 1 and 13.
Message Steve, thank you.
Dispatch to 29R.
49R.
29R, 29R.
Go ahead.
PMC did find footage. They're going to send it to you.
Copy, thank you.
Dispatch. Go ahead. 10-12, 1098. 10-4. State Patrol to NCSO on log call.
Go ahead for MCSO.
In regards to that vehicle, the single vehicle crash 41 southbound in the median at 124, do you want my trooper to write the crash, or will you be sending a unit to write that crash?
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
211, State Patrol's with that vehicle. Do you want them to take that crash, or do you want it?
On dispatch from 1098. 10-4. Take out it.
I had a male caller that said he got into a verbal argument with his girlfriend, who made some comments about mental health and then left, but while on the phone came back inside. Just a verbal argument. When she came back, he said that they did not need police assistance anymore. If you can still go there and check, make sure everything's good. 4233 West Carmel Drive.
41 copy. 6 copy.
I'm not to see if we can investigate. Agent 83, I copy you're investigating, and you're requesting emergencies. The rest of your message was unreadable.